Okay, good morning class. So our lesson for today is all about work problems. Okay? Work problems. And so I will be discussing some problems involving work and time. Okay? Involving work and time. So let's have the first problem. We have here problem number 1. Johnny can paint a room in 6 hours and Sally can do it in 3 hours. So how long will it take John and Sally to paint the room working together? So this is a work problem. So we have John and we have Sally. Okay, so John worked for 6 hours. Okay. So John worked for 6 hours and Sally works for 3 hours. Okay? And if they're gonna work together, we will let it to be X. Okay? So together, X. Okay? So the formula for work problem we have here your 1 over together, so we have J and S. Okay, ito yung work nila together, tapos 1 over TJ. Okay, yung time ni John na nag-work plus 1 over yung time ni Sally. Okay, so this is their time when they work together. Ito si John alone and si Sally alone. So we just need to substitute the hours of work of John and Sally. So we have 1 over 6 and 1 over 3. And for this, we will let this 1 over X. Kasi diba yung time nila together is your X. Okay? Then, what are we going to do next? We will just multiply everything by its least common multiple. So, what is the least common multiple of this X, 6, and 3? So, we have 6X. Okay? And if we're going to multiply 6X by 1 over X, mari-remove si X, matitira lang si 6. Okay, equals, ito, mari-remove yung 6, matitira yung X, so we will have X. Since 1 naman yung taas. Ito, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And matitira si X, so yan. So, we will have 6 equals X plus 2X. So, X plus 2X is equal to 3X. And they are equal to 6. So, we divide both sides by 3. X now is equal to 2 hours. So, they can finish the job. Okay? They can finish painting the room working together in 2 hours. Okay? In 2 hours. So, if you have scientific calculator, if you have scientific calculator, you can just input 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. Then, you raise it with negative 1. Okay? 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 raised to negative 1 and you will get 2. Okay? So, please check it. 2 hours. Ayan. So that's how to solve work problems involving 2 person. Okay? So let's have another problem. Let me erase this. Okay, let's have this problem. We have Mark and Kelly can finish a job in 4 hours. So kanina yung oras nila alone. Ngayon naman, together. Together, Mark and Kelly can finish the job in 4 hours. So, if it takes Mark 6 hours to complete the job alone, how long will it take Kelly to finish the job working by herself? So, merong work together, which is 4 hours, and we have yung time ni Mark working alone, which is 6 hours, and we will be looking for Kelly working by her own or by herself. Okay, so working alone ni Kelly. So, meron tayo yung time nila together, Mark and Kelly is equal to 4 hours. Okay? And for Mark, time ni Mark, we have 6 hours. And we will be looking for time ni Kelly, which is X. Okay? So, using the same process a while back, we will have 1 over time nila together, MK, is equal to 1 over the time of Mark plus 1 over time ni Kelly. Okay? Then, we substitute. We have 1 over 4 kasi 4 hours equals, yung time ni Mark is 6, so 1 over 6 plus yung time ni Kelly is X, so we will have 1 over X. Then, we are going to find the least common multiple. So, we will have what? So, we can just simply 4 times 6 times X, that is 24X. We can use 12X, but I prefer to use 24X. Okay, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Tama? 6X. Equals, eto 24 divided by 6 is 4. Tama? 4X. Ito, 24 divided by X, matatanggal si X. So, simply, it is equal to 24. So, if we have here, mag-subtract tayo ng 4X. Subtract tayo ng 4X. Okay? So, makakancel na yon. We will have 6X minus 4X is 2X equals 24. If we divide it both sides by 2, X now will be equal to 12 hours. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it will take 12 hours for Kelly to finish the job working alone. Okay? 12 hours working alone. Yan. Ganun lang kasimple. Let's have another example. Ayan, so for this example, we 3 persons are involved. We have Alex, Christine, and Ronald. So, Alex, Christine, and Ronald can complete a task in 6 hours, 9 hours, and 18 hours working alone respectively. So, ibig sabihin, si Alex, 6 hours. Si Christine, 9 hours. Si Ronald, 18 hours. How long will it take for them to complete the task working together? Okay? So, we will be looking for their time working together. Kasi yung given, alone. So, we will have, okay, i-set aside muna natin to dito. Ayan, dyan sa taas. Okay? So, we will have time of Alex, Christine, and Ronald working together is X. Tama? Time of Alex is equal to 6 hours. Time of Christine is equal to 9 hours. And time of Ronald is 18 hours. Ayan. So, we have this given. Then, we will substitute this given into our formula. So, we have 1 over time. Ito yung formula natin. Always write your formula para mas madali. ACR is equal to 1 over TA plus 1 over TC plus 1 over TR. Okay? Para hindi kayo malilito, mas madaling mag-substitute. So, we will have 1 over x equals 1 over 6 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 18. So, we will multiply it by its least common multiple. So, since 18 is a multiple of 9 and 6, so we will have 18, and of course, we have x, so we will include x. Okay, so 18x divided by x is equal to 18. Kasi magka-cancel yung x. 18 divided by 6 is 3 times x is 3x. 1 lang naman yung sa taas, kaya ganun na lang. Okay, 9 divided by 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 times x, that is 2x. 18 divided by 18 is 1 times x, so basically we will have your x. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2x plus x is equal to 6x equals 18. So we divide both sides by 6. X now is equal to 3 hours. Okay, so x is 3 hours. So ibig sabihin, ito na yung working together. Okay, so they can finish the job working together in just 3 hours. So kung tatlo silang magtatrabaho, 3 hours matatapos na nila. So ganon kabilis. Okay, so this is how you solve it. You may try also yung kanina, yung example ko kanina, 1 over 6 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 18. You raise it by negative 1 if you can have 3 as the answer. Okay, if you have scientific calculator, you may try to solve it. Kung mabilisan, ganyan. Okay? So, let's have another set of problem. So, ayan, kanina, ang hinahanap natin yung time nila working together. Ngayon naman, we have the time working together. So, Dan, Carlo, and Jerica can complete a job in 4 hours working together. So, kung magtutulungan sila, they can finish the job in 4 hours. So, Jerica can finish the job in 8 hours. So, given yung time ni Jerica doing the job alone. Okay? And Carlo can do it in 24 hours on his own. So, meron din tayong time ni Carlo doing it alone. How long will it take Dan to finish the job working by himself? So, ang problem natin is how long will it take Dan to finish the job if he will work alone? Okay? So, isulat natin yung given natin. We have their time together. So, Dan, Carlo, and Jerica, their time together is 4 hours. Yung time ni Jerica is 8 hours. Time ni Carlo is 24 hours. And yung time ni Dan is equal to x. Okay? So, by using our formula, we will have 1 over time nilang tatlo, DCJ, 1 over time ni Jerica, plus 1 over time ni Carlo, plus 1 over time ni Dan. Okay, then we substitute the values given. So, we have yung time nila working together is 1 over 4, equals time ni Jerica, 1 over 8, plus time ni Carlo, 1 over 24, plus 1 over x. So, looking for the least common multiple, we will have your, ito, 24x. Okay? So, having 24x, 24x divided by 4 is 6x. Okay? 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3x. Okay, 24 divided by 24. 24x divided by 24 is equal to x. And this one is equal to 24. Okay, so if we have this is 4x. Parang naulit. Parang naulit siya dun sa kanina. So, if we have this, we have 4x. So, isubtract lang natin 4x. Dito, 4x din. So, 4x, 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x equals 24. Divide it both sides by 2x now is equal to 12 hours. So, Dan can do his job alone in 12 hours. Ayan. Wala yung aking monopod, so medyo magalaw. So, yan. So, ganyan. For the next problem, it will be more difficult. Ito kasi, wala siyang comparison of times. Okay? Dun sa isa, meron na. Okay?